Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this a little present surprise, and yeah, today we're going to be unboxing this, so let's get on with it. We got this party hat. Let me just fold this. Okay guys, I got this hat ready. It says party, so cool. Got this little baggie. Let's open this. So here we got a little blind bag box thing. Let's open it up. Here it is. Let's just put this aside. Here's the collector's guide. Let's open it. Last time I got pumpkin spice. She is a ultra rare. Last time I got her. This time I'm hoping for Festive BB or Jubilee, Pearl Cutie, or Miss Jenner, or Violet, or Aqua. I really like those dolls. I hope I get those ones. And here's the secret message. Group photo. And now guys, I got the instructions, and let's open. First blind bag, let's open it. I got a hat. I got 2 of these shoes. Let's see what outfit I got. This purple outfit, and last blind bag accessory, second last, a slice of pizza. And this is the last accessory blind bag. It's a bottle. It's a little pop bottle. Here you can see it. P-O-P, pop, like soda. It pops in your mouth. Okay, let's open it. Oh, who did I get? Who did I get? This doll. Let me check on the collector guide what her name is. Oh, she is September doll. And she is Sweet Shipper. Okay. Let me see what she is. A rare, a popular, a super rare, maybe? I don't know. Let's see. She is a fabulous doll. Let's get her dressed in her outfit. I will get this doll dressed in 3, 2, 1, and she is dressed, guys. Here is her outfit holder, by the way. Let's put her shoes on in 3, 2, 1, and her shoes are gone. They are on her feet. Here is some pizza for her to hold, and a hat. And yeah, that is it for this video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you liked this doll, and yeah, please subscribe to this channel for more videos about toys, unboxing toys, and other stuff like that, and stories too. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hope you have all a nice day.